How are you this evening?
I'm a little bit tired.
How may I help you?
I would like to get a haircut.
Where would you like to go?
To the beach, please.
What do you think I should do?
You should ask your dad.
Who told you?
My friend, he told me everything.
What did he say?
He said he is from Canada.
Where can I get tickets?
Tickets are available at the box office.
Do you go to work by bus?
Most days, I go to work by train.
Would you open the door for me, please?
Sure, let me help you.
Do you have any friends in Canada?
No, I don't know anyone there.
What time do you get up?
I wake up at 8 a.m.
Do you take out the trash?
Yes, every day.
Do you play sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What is your English level?
I'm a beginner.
Why do you want to learn English?
Because I want to find a good job.
Did you read my message?
No, I'm sorry, I was busy.
Do you have time after work?
I have to pick up my child.
How old is your grandfather?
76 years old.
How do I get to the bookstore?
Go straight and turn right, and you can see it.
Do you know him well?
Not really, I have only met him twice.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I'm planning to visit my friend.
May I ask you something?
Yes, what is your question?
Where do you live?
I live in a small town.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
What's your name?
My name is Emma.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm not busy at the moment.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep about 8 hours a night.
How was your day?
Really good.
When did you start learning English?
I started learning English when I was 5.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May the 10th.
Do you like this park?
Yes, it's very peaceful.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog and a cat.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Do you take your dog to the park often?
Yes, almost every day.
Is there a cafe in the park?
Yes, there's a small cafe near the entrance.
What do you do to relax?
I like to read books and watch movies.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
Are they living nearby?
No, they live in different cities.
How often do you see your parents?
I visit them every weekend.
What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you have breakfast at home?
Yes, I usually have cereal and coffee.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work remotely most of the time.
What do you do after work?
I usually relax and watch TV.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 10 p.m.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, I read for about 30 minutes.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Yes, I exercise in the morning.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I go for a run.
What do you like to do on weekends?
On weekends, I like to go hiking.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I have been to a zoo.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is sausages.
What do you like to watch on TV?
I like to watch thrillers on TV.
What's the weather like today?
Today, the weather is sunny and warm.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like to paint.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to Spain on my last vacation.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little bit.
Where is your favorite place to visit in your city?
My favorite place to visit in my city is the park.
What did you do yesterday?
I went shopping.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I plan to go to the movie.
Do you play sports?
No, I used to swim every day though.
Where do you go shopping?
Boutiques in my neighborhood.
Is there a bank near here?
Yes, at the end of the block.
Where's Liam?
At work.
Was he at work yesterday?
Yes, he was.
What did he say?
I don't know. I wasn't listening.
Have
Yes, I drive a sedan.
Are you going out tonight?
I might. I don't know for sure.
When was the last time you were sick?
5 months ago.
What would you like to do now?
Let's go hang out with Liam.
When was the last time you ate?
3 hours ago.
Would you like to play tennis?
No, let's go for a swim.
Why were you so late?
I had to wait half an hour for the bus.
How much is this?
This is $45.
Are you John's sister?
No, I'm not.
Where did you go on your vacation?
I went to Toronto.
How's the weather in New York today?
It is cold and windy in New York.
Did you get the package I sent you?
Yes, thank you. It arrived yesterday.
How was your holiday?
It was fun.
How did your brother arrive?
He came by train.
Can you teach me how to play guitar?
Sure, when do you want to start?
Why are you so angry with him?
He didn't invite me to the party.
Where did you go?
I went to the post office.
Did you call your friend?
She was already asleep when I called last night.
Why did you lie to me?
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to lie.
Are you coming to the party tonight?
Yes, I'll come if I can.
What will you wear for the party?
And I'll wear my blue dress.
How long are you going to stay there?
About 2 weeks.
What do you want for dinner?
I want to have sushi.
Do you know how to play tennis?
Yes, I learned when I was a child.
What would you like to eat?
I'd like a sandwich.
What do you do at work?
I answer the telephone and do some type.
You can do it, can't you?
It will be difficult, but I will try.
Is this your phone?
No, I think it's John's phone.
When will you finish work?
I will finish around 6 p.m.
Can you call me when you get home?
Sure, I will call you when I arrive.
What's your friend's name?
His name is Michael.